Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'm back with a new video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable the dark mode on your WhatsApp. But before we start the video guys, please take a moment and make sure to subscribe the channel and also follow me on Instagram. I'll have the link somewhere in description below. Okay, now let's jump to the video. So first of all, you need to make sure that your WhatsApp is updated. So go to the Play Store. And as you can see that I have the latest version of WhatsApp, so I'll open it and now click on these three dots and then go to settings and now click on chats and then click on this theme option, and from here you can select the dark mode. So click on dark mode and click OK. And as you can see that the dark mode has been enabled. So that's it for this video guys, and if you guys like the video then please make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. I'll keep a like aim of 10 likes on this video, so help me achieve the target too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.